Hello, I'm Michael, a customer of Forever Remodeling. My wife Stephanie and I selected Forever Remodeling to do our master bathroom here. Our neighbor had used Forever Remodeling before they moved into their condo to work on some projects there. And after reading reviews, talking with them, we elected to go with Forever Remodeling. Very happy with selecting them and the finished product of our master bathroom. And if you're considering home remodeling, certainly consider Forever